Good morning, friends. Today we start homogenizations. This is very important topics for pair of straight lines. Very important topic for pair of straight lines. So we start homogenizations. We consider one curve. For example, I draw one line here, x-axis and y-axis, and we consider some curve like this, and whose equations I consider ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the degree 2 equations here. So this is the degree 2 general equation of conic as well as non-conic, means pair of a straight line. If delta equals to 0, it becomes pair of straight lines. If delta is not equal to 0, it becomes, according to the situation, h square equals to ab, become a parabola, ellipse, hyperbola and circle also. If a equals to b and h equals to 0, it becomes a circle. So I consider one curve. In general curves, we don't know this. This is general equation of degree 2, non-homogeneous. Because here degree is 2 and here also 1 plus 1, degree 2 and degree 2, but degree 1 and degree 1 and here 0 degree. So this is non-homogeneous of degree 2 equations. So we convert in degree 2 also. That process is called homogenization. I consider one line, straight lines, whose equation we consider Lx plus My plus n equals to 0. They intersect 2 points P and Q. So how to find the P and Q points here? So we can take a intersection of points and we solve this linear equation and this degree 2 equations. Then we got intersection point. This is not easy. For example, I consider x1 comma y1 and here q is x2 comma y2, and this is not easy to find the points. So what we go, we can meet here, we can draw one OP lines which passes through, and OQ line, this is passes through these points. So now we want to find the joint equation of OP and OQ. That process is called homogenizations. So now joint equation of OP and OQ, how to find? So first we write a linear equation Lx plus My plus n equals to 0, or Lx plus My equals to minus n and divided by minus n divided by minus n. So Lx plus My minus n equals to 1. Now this one value, so what we write here, this is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, they are homogeneous, degree 2. But here 2gx, here degree x is 1, so we multiply here 1, plus 2fy, here also degree of y is 1, so multiply with 1, plus c square, degree is 0, c is degree 0, so 1 square equals to 0. Now replace of 1 we put this value. So replace of 1 we put here, so ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx, and replace of 1, this 1 we can write here Lx plus My minus n plus 2fy Lx plus My by minus n plus c into, we write here Lx plus My minus n whole square equal to 0. Now this become a homogeneous of degree 2. Now here this will give x square. If you multiply 2gx into Lx, they will give x square. So all combined form we can write here ax square. Similarly here 2hxy also we can generate. So 2gx plus my, if you multiply 2gx 2gm x into y divided by minus x, and this also. So like that we consider this is nothing but 2 capital H x y and plus by square equals to 0. Now this become a non-homogeneous non-homogeneous degree of equation to homogeneous. So this process is called homogenizations. So we can understand this concept by one questions. So I consider one PYQ questions, and we can understand these concepts how to work. So now we are considered here the pair. They asking pair of perpendicular straight lines. A pair of perpendicular straight lines passes through the origin and also through the point of intersection of curve x square plus y square equals to 4 and line x plus y equals to a. Then find a. This question they asked in 2008 and 2010. So what we do? So this is the nothing but here this curve is here, clearly say that this is the equation of a circle passing through the origin whose radius is 2, and this is the line. So first we write here x plus y equals to a. How to make this side a1? So divide by a. So x plus y by a equals to here 1. X plus y equals to 1. Now we put in these equations. So what are the equations here? X square plus y square minus 4 equals to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4 into 1 square equals to 0, because 4 is the constants. So in place of this one we put here x plus y. So what we write here? X plus y minus 4 into x plus y by a whole square equals to 0. Now simplify this, and what we do here, and this is a pair of straight lines of perpendicular straight lines. So what we write here? X square plus y square minus 4y a square into x plus y square is x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 0. Now we take a common here. So x square, we first find the x square coefficient. So here coefficient is 1 plus here minus 4. So minus 4 by a square. Similarly y square coefficient you take here. So y square coefficient here 1 minus 4 by a square. And here we take now xy coefficient, so minus 8 by a square xy equal to 0. Now this pair, these equations become a standard form of homogeneous pair. This become a pair of a straight line in homogeneous form, because this is ax square plus by square minus plus 2hxy equals to 0. So it become a standard. What is telling? Pair of perpendicular straight lines. So perpendicular, what is the condition for perpendiculars? So we know that angles theta equals to tan inverse of 2 into root under h square minus ab by mod a plus b. So we know that, so this is perpendicular means theta equals to 90 degrees, means tan 90 degrees is not defined. When this is not defined? When a plus b becomes a 0. So here also a plus b becomes a 0. Then only this satisfy pair of perpendicular straight lines. So a plus b equals to 0. We can put here the conditions. So what the a here? So a is here 1 minus 4 a square and b is here. This is the a value and this is the b value, plus 1 minus 4 by a square equals to 0. Now what we do here? 1 plus 1 2 minus 8 by a square equals to 0, or 2 equals to 8a square. Cross multiply, 2a square equals to 8. So a square equals to 4. So a equals to plus or minus 2. So we find the a value. So a equals to possible value minus 2 comma 2. Thank you so much.